Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to fix Shopify domain error. The common Shopify domain errors are domain not connected, SSL pending or SSL unavailable, domain already in use, can't verify ownership or redirect loops, or not loaded. Firstly, try checking your DNS settings. Log into your domain provider and ensure the following are set. A record points to Shopify's IP and CNAME record www.shopify.myshopify.com and delete any other A or 4A's records that conflict. Secondly, verify in Shopify. Go to Shopify admin, settings, then domains. Select your custom domain and click verify connection. If DNS is correct, Shopify will confirm. Thirdly, fix SSL issues. If you see SSL pending or SSL unavailable, wait out for 48 hours after fixing DNS and make sure no AAA records are set. And if still failing, disable and re-enable the domain, then re-verify. And finally, verify if is the domain in or use. This happens if your domain is linked to another Shopify store. Log into that store and remove the domain, or contact Shopify support to release it if you no longer have access. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.